morning guys, welcome back for another review. And today wasn't a planned review, it's to understand an issue I'm having going on with ND filters and lowering the shutter speed on the GoPro Hero 8, maybe even the 7, what have you. But once I lower the shutter speed, I lose Hypersmooth. And I'm trying to figure out at what shutter speed does Hypersmooth kind of go away, even though it's saying it's on. When I say it's saying it's on, this blue indicator on boost is lit up saying that it's on. So I hit that. The indicator is showing to be on and working. So I'm going to run through different shutter speeds and take a walk around the wonderful yard again and see how it performs. Alright guys, we are filming 4K 30. Per tune's on, back microphone is on for the media mod, and shutter speed is on auto. So this had, and Hypersmooth is on boost. Should have the best results as I walk around the yard that you've seen many times. I cut some more branches off that tree. So I'll put it on 1/60th. I have the ND32 on. I'll keep that one on the whole time. Let's just see ND filter on the front, and then we'll see how this works out. Now, just to give you some history, I got on with a GoPro chat. They watched some video from the last one, and I did see on the manual that it just says when you lower shutter speed, make sure you put it on a tripod to reduce motion. So I want to find out exactly at what shutter speed does Hypersmooth kind of shut off. We're going to start off with 1/60th first, and then we'll go up. Okay, 1/60th of a second. How? On boost, so it should be on, right? Am I reading it wrong? So on boost, 1/60th high, we'll go 120, and higher. That was 120. Let's go to 240. Boost is still on. Boost, sorry, you see it. Boost is still on. 240. Now, where did I read about 250? So, if 250 is correct, this shouldn't work either. Or it should be the better of the three. For the heck of it, and then we'll go auto. 480. Guys, what did you think? Before I give my opinion, please go down and give a subscribe and a like. Can you give a subscribe? Can you subscribe to the channel, please? I watch it every other day. I see it go up like 1 or 2, and I get excited just about 1 or 2 more subscribers. So I look at each one. So when you click that button, I do see it. I do get pretty happy. So let's get into it. All right. So as you saw from the video, the lower the shutter speed, the worse the stabilization. The higher the shutter speed, the better the stabilization. So what does that mean? If you're going to use an ND filter, I would not expect it to do too much of the boost or whatever you got going on running down the road. If you got it on a tripod or set up still, and you're trying to create a cinematic feel for something, for a sunset or whatever, that's fine. But if you lower that shutter speed down to get that 180 rule going on, you're going to lose stabilization from what I see. Unless it's a camera issue with my camera, and if you're with GoPro, please reach out. But or you know something else about this that I'm missing, reach out, comment below. But just from the results I have from 4K 30 and 4K 24, once you lower that shutter speed, Hypersmooth goes to poop. That's it for this video. If you got any other ideas, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and everyone stay healthy.